Let's see what our previous Airbnb guests left in the refrigerator. We love when y'all leave behind usable items instead of just throwing them in the trash because we do donate some of the things. Looks like they left behind some Prosecco and some Tampico. I'm sure they were making mimosas. I've never had this before, but they left this container of unopened Talenti behind, gelato. I'm gonna keep this for myself and eat it. God forbid a girl wants to try some gelato. These popsicles I put in there, we have quite a few of them, so I like to leave some for our guests. The condiments and everything also stay in, but I'll just rearrange it all and make it look nice and neat.